Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is prawn biryani. Basmati rice dum cooked with prawns in spices, onions, tomatoes, yogurt and herbs makes this dish delectable and bursting with flavors. Let's have a look at our ingredients. Before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's marinate the prawns first. To 500 grams of prawns, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix this well. Prawns actually take very less time to marinate, so let's pop this in the refrigerator for half an hour. These spices will go in the masala: half piece of mace, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 3 cardamoms, 1 star anise and 1 bay leaf. Now let's start by adding half cup of oil to a cooking pot. Once it turns hot, add in the whole spices. Add 3 thinly sliced onions. Cook for some time. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry the onions till they turn golden brown in color. Now add 5 finely chopped tomatoes. Five green chilies. 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add in the marinated prawns. Mix this well. Add in 1 small bunch of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mix this well again and cover this and cook for some time. Later, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt or curd, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Our biryani masala is done. Now let's cook our rice. Take sufficient water in a cooking pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I have washed and soaked it for half an hour. Now add this to the water. To this add half bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is zira. Cook the rice till it's 80% done and strain it. To this you can add food color, this is optional. Now let's assemble the layers. First I am starting with the masala layer like this. Now add in the layer of rice. Now keep alternating the layers of masala with the layers of rice till it's all done. Lastly, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. This gives the biryani a nice rich flavor. Before placing it for dum, keep a plate-like thing on the flame and then keep the biryani pot. Now secure the sides like this. After 10 to 20 minutes, you can see steam coming out. This means the biryani is done. Now open the lid. Now mix the rice and the masala very carefully. This prawn biryani looks so delicious and so flavorful. This is the easiest and quickest biryani recipe. Now let's serve the biryani. A simple raita goes well with this biryani. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share my recipes with your family and friends. Keep coming back to my channel and thank you for all the love and support.